to discuss the topic sound needs a medium to travel. A substance through which sound travels is called a medium. Sound travels through solid, liquid and gases. So these substances are called a medium for propagation of sound. Sound is a mechanical wave, so it needs a material medium to travel. Any wave which requires a medium to travel is called a mechanical wave. Sound needs a material medium like solid, liquid or gas. In the first example, we can see the person trying to listen to the sound passing through the solid railway track. The sound of the approaching train can be easily heard through this solid medium, that is the railway track. In the second figure, we can see a bell ringing in the water. The child is able to hear the sound of the ringing bell through the medium water. The third figure, the music from the flute is easily heard through the medium air. Here we go through an activity to demonstrate that sound needs a medium to travel. Here is a bell jar in which we have an electric bell. The electric bell is connected to a battery. This is a positive terminal and the negative terminal. This bell jar is connected to a vacuum pump. As the connection is given and the switch is on, you can hear the sound of the ringing bell very clearly. Now as we activate the vacuum pump to remove or pump out the air, we see that the sound is heard very feebly, or the intensity of sound goes on decreasing, and at one point when the whole air is removed, we cannot hear the sound of the ringing bell. This demonstrates that sound cannot travel in vacuum, or sound needs a material medium to travel. Sound cannot be heard directly on the surface of the moon because there is no air. On the surface of the earth, we talk to each other and we can easily hear the sound because sound travels through air and reaches